So I'm back with a pot. This has come out there, so that's fine. I just need a bit of water. I'll put the tomatoes and okra and dahlia seeds. The warmth coming up from the radiator down there. These are my grow lights. I find them really good. They brought all my seeds on. Fine. They're handy because you can have how many you want. I think they come in a pack of 6. But you don't have to have 6 on at a time. These have got a USB port. See if they still work. Yep, they've got on. There we go. So that's it for now. You can see my aubergines and my tomatoes definitely need going down the allotment. I think that's the jalapeno chilli. So I'll be taking them down and putting them in the greenhouse down there. See you next time.